Hey loves, it's your girl Brianna MUA back again with another makeup tutorial. It's been a while since I've done a voiceover, but let's get it popping. If you like to see how I did this colorful look, just continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you guys never miss a beat. So just going right on into the video, you guys know I always go ahead and do my brows prior to the video just to cut down time. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I swear by this stuff. Cheap and it's good. I'm using the color Toffee and I'm just using that over my lids as a base. And I'm just going in with a brush and setting that concealer with Sacha Buttercup Cosmetics setting powder. Now I'm going in with one of my favorites, the Juvia's Place palette. I think it's the Magic palette, yeah. So I'm going in with that. I'm always running my mouth, y'all, on the phone. I'm going to be starting off with that bright orange color, and I'm going to be popping that into my crease, doing windshield wiper motions until I get the desired buildup I like. And remember, what we always do to one side, we do to the other, unless you're just going for something fun and spectacular, because there really are no rules to makeup. Just depending on the kind of looks you're going for, there's a time and a place for everything. But I was feeling pretty bright and colorful today, which is what inspired this look. So now we're going in with the Masquerade palette, I believe it's called, and I'm going in with that burgundy or maroon color, and I'm popping that on my outer V, and I'm going to be dragging that into the crease like so. And you're going to do this until you get the desired buildup, and you want to blend everything so it looks seamless. And a lot of times you lose color when you add other shades, so I'll go back in a second and fade some orange back into that crease area. Okay, now I'm going back in. I don't think I added any more orange to the brush. I just used what was left and buffed that color out. Now I'm going in with that purple color, and I'm going to be taking a flat, more defined brush to actually get into that crease so we can actually see the transition of the colors very well. You don't want to use too big of a brush in the crease because it can wipe out the colors. And then I'll be going back in with the brush I used the maroon color for, just to build those shades back up. Now I'm going in with this yellow kind of mustard matte shade, and this shade is actually used from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I forgot what it's called. It's the green one. I will list all the products and things like that that I used in the description bar below, so be sure to check that out. But I decided to kind of mesh the shades together and not do a cut crease. I feel like I don't know. I don't want to do cut creases all the time, y'all. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I just wanted those shades to kind of mesh together and not look so perfect. Now I'm going back in that Masquerade palette and I'm doing the that green shimmery shade. And you guys, when I thought about it, I was like, I wanted to really stick with doing all matte colors, but it really still turned out pretty. And it dawned on me that I had gotten those pigments from Mayo makeup that I could have used, but this look still turned out pretty. So anyways, I'm just going in, adding that green right behind that mustard shade, and then I'm going to blend the two together so they look as seamless as possible. I'm going in with that blue shade I just showed you guys out of that Magic palette, and I'm putting that on the outer V and blending it into that green shade. So you want everything to blend together and kind of mesh together so you can actually see the transition. And so I'm just building up that color into the outer corner like so. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation, which you guys have seen this routine as well, but I'm currently using the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 355. I think it's Coconut, and this foundation is awesome, you guys. I went ahead and color corrected using the Toffee concealer around my mouth as it's darker, and I set that with some setting powder before I did my foundation. And I'll go ahead and link the review to this foundation in the description bar below as well, so be sure to check that video out and give it a thumbs up. I was mentioning in the video they had only a limited selection of colors. I don't know, they'll probably extend it like the regular Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which I think they should. This foundation is awesome. It's a dupe to MAC's Studio Fix Fluid for a fraction of the cost. So yeah, I think this foundation was like $9, $10, and MAC's foundation, the one I just mentioned, is like $40, $30, $40. So yeah. But now I'm going to go ahead and highlight under the eye, the chin, bridge of my nose, and forehead using my LA Girl Pro Concealer again in the shade Toffee. And I'm going to be buffing that out with a brush. And you don't want to drag the concealer out too far. We want to look like superstars. And then I'm going to go ahead and set that as well after I let everything melt and sink in. And I'm going to be using Sacha Buttercup Cosmetics setting powder. now I'm going in and I'm contouring. I've been using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. They have some really nice neutral browns and stuff in there that you can use for contour. I also like to use the Nubian 2 palette, that brown shade. They have a tan shade, an orange shade, and that burgundy. And I like to kind of mesh those 4 colors together to do my contour. It works out really well. So now I'm using a very bright blue shade from the Masquerade palette, and I am popping that on my waterline just to make the eyes pop a little bit more. Now I'm going in with my sample MAC Cosmetics 3D Lash Dimension, or whatever it's called, their mascara. It's pretty decent. And then I'm going in with their liquid eyeliner. It's the black one. It's the really good one. I forget the name of that line as well. And like I said, I have all that information in the description bar below. And I'm doing a wing, which I rarely do on myself anyways. And then just to buff that color out on my waterline a little bit more, I'm going in with a purple shade just so it doesn't look so like, you know, blah. So you want to kind of make it look blended and buffed out. So I'm adding that purple to kind of smoke it out. And then I'm going in with another brush and just meshing those colors together. And you can already tell what a difference that makes. And then I'm going in with that burgundy maroon color and just smoking it out even more. That just looks so gorgeous. And shouts out to my girl Jackie Aina. I absolutely love both highlighters. She went and partnered up with or collabed with Artist Couture on IG, and she has the La Peach and La Bronze highlighting or highlighter palette powders, and I really love both shades, but I'm using La Peach in this video. Now we're going in with my most favorite lip liner of all time, MAC liner in Chestnut. It pretty much goes with everything. And then I'm going to be going in with a nude lippie I got in a set from TJ Maxx. And you guys, it was cheap. It was a pack of like 6 different nude shades for like $5. And I am impressed with the formula and how they look overall. And then I'm going to be topping that with my Milani Cosmetics Plumping lip gloss in the shade Nude Shimmer. And that pretty much sums up this look, you guys. I'm just taking a few selfies like I always do. I hope you enjoyed this video as all others. Like I said, everything will be listed below in the comment section, so be sure to check that out, as well as a few other videos, so be sure to check those out as well. Give all these videos a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit that bell as well so you guys never miss a beat. Thank you all. I love you.
Get out.